Ugh, so annoying. Your Roborock S7 keeps shouting error 4 the moment you turn it on, and it literally can't do anything else besides shouting that annoying error over and over. You aren't alone. The error 4 robot stuck glitch is a common headache plaguing Roborock S7 owners everywhere. So, what's actually happening? Error 4 is triggered by the cliff sensors. These sensors use infrared light to detect drops, but when they get caked with fine dust or suffer an internal hardware failure, the robot enters a state of panic. It thinks it's about to fall to its doom, so it refuses to move. Ignoring this doesn't just mean your floors stay dirty. Malfunctioning sensors can cause the robot vacuum to spin in circles until the motor burns out, or worse, it might actually lose its ability to detect real ledges, leading to a spectacular tumble down the stairs. But don't worry, RoboCare has the solution to silence those errors for good. At RoboCare, we specialize in the Roborock. Our expert technicians have years of hands-on experience and have successfully diagnosed and cleared thousands of error 4 faults. Our repair process is thorough. We carefully disassemble the unit, identify the faulty sensors, and replace them with genuine components. We don't just fix the error, we recalibrate the system to ensure your Roborock S7 can see clearly again, preventing those annoying false alarms on your rugs. We pride ourselves on restoring your vacuum to its peak performance. And now, let's get to the results. Look at that! This Roborock S7 robot vacuum is back to its prime. No more fake cliff warnings, just flawless, automated cleaning. Don't let error 4 stop your flow. Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to book your repair.